Hello everybody and welcome to another video. So update on the bathroom work. Boxing Day 2020. I have been busy and this is the rest. We have plasterboard has been laid and filled. So it's drying nicely right now. So this is looking quite good. Just a couple of touches, I guess, when everything would be set. There's just a couple of bits up there that needs to be finalized. It's still looking a little bit unfinished. Now, the next job tomorrow is going to be the shower tray. So the shower tray needs to be going onto a very flat surface because I'm not going to take any chances. So this area here is fairly level, but it's slightly lower here than it is here by about 4 or 5 millimeters. So what I have done is I've primed the floorboard. This is the floorboard. I've primed the floorboard with some waterproof oil-based paint, and the edges have been glued, and I've put a barrier. Now I've just put a frame around it, so there's a bit of frame here and there's a bit of frame here as well. I've put a bit of gaffer tape first, so it's not going to be sticking to the floor. So when I lift everything after the self-leveling compound, which I will pour into here, and it will just basically totally self-level nicely. Here we've got the trap hole, which has got the trap in it, so it's been taped over and everything, and has got a lip on it. And I will be basically pouring the self-leveling compound tomorrow on that when everything is cured, and the glue, because I've put glue along that as well, so everything is absolutely sealed, it's not going to leak. Put self-leveling compound, wait a couple of hours, and then remove the frame, and we should have a very nice flat surface to accommodate this slate looking shower tray, and it will be fab. So after that it'll be putting the waterproofing paneling backing, tile backing onto the walls and all around here and here, and then tiling, and then flooring, and then just tongue and groove on that lower part. It's going all around here and all around here and all around here, and after that we should be pretty much quite good.